Good evening students, welcome back to the online course Fundamentals of Database Management System. In our previous discussion we have completed the talk on the queries and nested subqueries. In our previous session we started the talk on the join operations in database management system. We have discussed what exactly is a join operation, why join operation is required, when we need to do the join operation, that is when we need to display the data which belongs to different table. Sometimes the column will be same common in different tables, so in that case we need to perform the join operation. Now we have seen the different types of join operation, like cross join we have seen, inner join, outer join is there. Outer join can be further classified in three types: left outer join, right outer join, and full outer join. So at the end of the talk we stopped at the discussion on the inner join. So let me minimize this screen so that you can see the word file. This was the word file we were following for our join operation. This has been already uploaded on your course web page on LMS, and the videos are already available. Okay, so just we will go through the brief summary of that. Join in SQL, we have seen when SQL join is used to fetch data from two or more tables which is joined to appear as a single set of data. SQL join is used for combining column from two or more tables by using values common to both tables. As already I have said that when you have to combine when you have to display the data which is common in more than two tables, then in that case join operation is to be done. Join keyword is used in SQL queries for joining two or more tables, and this is something important, minimum required condition for joining table. Like suppose if you have n number of tables, so the minimum number of join operation to be done will be n minus 1. Okay, a table can also be joined to itself, and that kind of join is known as self join. So going further, we discussed the types of join operation. We discussed inner join, outer join, left and right outer join. So starting the talk with that cross join, we have seen cross join is basically the Cartesian product, the same thing what we have discussed during the Oracle syntax. So in Cartesian product, what will happen that every row of one table will be joined with all the rows of table 2. I repeat, for table 1 each row will be joined with all the tables of table 2. Like suppose if you have table 1 contains 5 rows and table 2 contains 10 rows, then each row of table 1 will be joined with 10 rows of table 2. So in total your result table will contain 50 rows kind of. So how you can do this cross join? You can just write the statement which columns you want to display for the table name 1, then you write the cross join and table name 2. So we have discussed this example. Here you can see there is a table called class which contains 3 rows, and there is a table called class info again which contains 3 rows. So the cross join it will do what? 3 into 3, total 9 rows will be displayed. Then we discuss something called inner join or equi-join. So in inner join or equi-join, what happens when we are performing a join operation for the two tables, the system will display only the matching data. Means we'll take a common column, and that common column, when the data is matching, then only data will be displayed, otherwise the unmatched data will not be displayed. So that is the operation of inner join. The same logic you can follow. You can write the column name list. If you want to display all the columns, then instead of that you can just select asterisk. If you want to display fewer number of columns, then the column which you want to display, you need to write that column name. So from table name 1 inner join, table name 2, and this is the condition using which we can write the inner join operation. So table name 1 dot column name is equal to table name 2 dot column name. So when these two column names are equal, then only this data will be displayed, otherwise it will not be displayed. We saw this example. Here you can see the class table contains 4 rows, the ID is 1 2 3 4, and the class info table contains 3 rows, the ID is 1 2 3. So if you can see that ID part 1 2 3 is common in both the tables, however the ID 4 is not available in class info table. So when you will perform the inner join or equi-join operation, in that case you will see only these 3 IDs are displayed, because these 3 IDs are common in both the tables. The fourth ID is not displayed because it is a unmatched data. Now this is something in natural join, same name and same data type present in both the tables to be joined. So when the column name as well as the data type both are same, then only natural join operation can be done. Okay, so with this we'll move to the discussion on outer join. Now as in inner join, we have seen that system displays only the matching data. So what happens to the unmatched data? The data which remains unmatched, it was not displayed by using inner join. So to display the matched as well as the unmatched data, to display both kind of data, we need to use the outer join operation. So outer join will do what? It will display the matched data as well as the unmatched data. So outer join subdivide further into. So on that basis, outer join operation is divided into three classification: left outer join, right outer join, and full outer join. So if you will go for the left outer join, you see what it is written. The left outer join returns a result table with the match data of two tables, then remaining rows of the left table and null for the right table column. I repeat, match data part is exactly same what you have done in your inner join. So when you are going for the left outer join, so system will do what? It will display the match data exactly like it is displaying in the inner join operation. Now the concept of left outer join says, for the left table, from the operation to the left side you are writing a table name, to the right side you are writing a table name. So the left side, the table what you have written, for that left side it will display the columns, it will display the values. Corresponding right side table, it will put null for the values. I repeat, for the left side table it will display the data is what you have entered in your table. However, the corresponding right side column will be null. As you can see how we can do that, select column name list, table name 1, table name 2, and the operation we are doing left outer join. Here it is the condition using which the join operation is done. Let us understand this with the help of an example. There is a class something called there is a table name is class, and which contains 5 rows 1 2 3 4 5, and class info table which contains 1 2 3 7 8. So now you can see in class table there was id 1 2 3 4 5, and class info table the id is 1 2 3 7 8. So there is a mismatch. After 3, in our first table we have 4 5, and in our second table we have id 7 8. So there is a mismatch. So when we will go for the join operation, left outer join, see the result. This is the thing we are talking about. The first 3 id is displayed exactly like in inner join operation. Now because of the left outer join, the unmatched part for left table it is displaying, and for the right side it will just displaying the null value. That is something called left outer join. Now if you will just reverse this case, it becomes right outer join. Here everything is same, only the unmatched part, this time the right side of the table will be displayed and left side of the table will be null. The rest of the things is exactly same. As you can see here, the same operation 1 2 3 4 5. Here it is 1 2 3 7 8, and now when you will go for the right outer join, you see what is the effect. This time the first 3 values are exactly same like we have got in left outer join also. However, this time you can see the right side table the data is displayed, and the left side table the data is null. If you will compare with the left outer join, last time it was left table data was displayed and right side this was null. So that is left outer join and right outer join. Now full outer join means if you are combining both the things, means full outer join is a combination of left as well as right. So in that case what will happen, system will display the left outer join result also, right outer join result also, and at the end it will display the full outer join results also. You see the same table, this time the result will be, see, this is the matching data. Now unmatched data, you see this is your left outer join, this is your right outer join. So both the things are combined here. That is something called full outer join. So with this we can wind up the discussion on the join operation in database. We have discussed about join operation, the basic types of join operation like cross join, which is also known as Cartesian product. We have discussed about inner join, which is also known as equi-join. Then we discussed about something outer join, and outer join we have seen in 3 types: left outer join, right outer join, and full outer join. So with this we can wind up the talk on this session 17, and with this your CO2 has been completed. So we will wind up this talk on the CO2, and next day we will start with another CO, that is CO3. Okay, thank you.